Rob Frazier here. Just wanted to talk about how easy it is to trade here at L7 Trade. I think that's what we're calling it. Arbitrage trading, in which you take the trades yourself. There is an option to have the traders behind this trade for you. However, I don't suggest doing that. I suggest always trading yourself. But it's very simple. Once you have crypto loaded in here, you can trade multiple coins, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, blah, blah, blah. And you can have multiple trades going at the same time. But it's very simple. You get in here, and whatever coin you're looking at, this right here is what you want to pay attention to. So you see up here, it says top bid. So this number, 10,758, you're going to look for a number, that number, or something close to it right here. So I just saw it right here. I'm going to just click that. And the lowest ask, 10,079, you're going to look for that number or a number super close to it over here. Once you have those two clicked, you simply click here to load it up there. You can scroll down here. Once you scroll down here, you'll see if all of this is green, especially down here, that right there is the return transaction result to include your profit. And then once you do that, click on confirm, click OK. Trade order successfully created. You click OK, and that's it. It is as simple as that. Now, they do have limits. I've heard 4 to 5 hours. What I would suggest doing is once you make a trade, set your watch, set your alarm. 4 or 5 hours later, come back in because they have like a 4-hour window and they actually execute the trade for you. And then there's a time limit after that. I think it's like 50 minutes after the completion of that trade. But I suggest, hey, just set your watch for, for me, I'm going to basically set my watch for 6 hours ahead. Once it goes off, I'm going to get back in and do that same thing. And new people, if you could just do what I just shared with you right then and there, you can make money with this platform. And you're trading. You're taking the trades. You're not allowing a company to do it. You're not allowing a bot to do it. This is you doing your trades, and it's very simple. So that being said, you want more information about L7 Trade, the link is below. Once your referrals trade, and they will, you earn 21% of their profits. So whatever profit they make, you earn a piece of that for referring them to the system, and that just starts snowballing, and that's better than any other BizOp trading opportunity I've seen out there. Now, I do work other BizOps and little trading deals and things like that, but this right here, you're in control of everything. That being said, my link is below. Want more information? Name's Rob Frazier. See you next time.